Hey guys, good morning. It's a wonderful day. Today is July 4th, 2019, and I'll be replacing my tires. Okay, as you can see, the tread is maybe another 15%, 10% left. Okay, so why do I need to change when there's a little bit of tread left? Just because um, in Malaysia, there's a lot of people they are searching for second-hand tires, so I'm still able to sell for some money. Mm, and so I decided to change it earlier, although I know it still can be used, you see. But I decided to change so I still can sell this the second-hand set, okay, for a few $100s, and I get a fresh tires. So for money-wise, it's worth much better. It's worth it. You see, the tread is still okay. I would say maybe 20% left. Okay, but I need to change. Okay, that's it. See you guys. I'll take another video later. Thank you. Bye bye.
Recording.
Hi. Okay, I'm on my bike to my work. Okay, my factory, and after working, I'll be going to change my tires. Okay. Another good thing about changing to fresh tires is that okay, I don't really recommend people to use it until the end of the life of this tire, meaning that you use up to, you know, flat, up to the 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 tread indicator. It shows totally non-zero. So because it's safer, especially in the wet, especially in Malaysia, you know, it rains a lot. So um, I don't really recommend people to use up until the end of the life. Okay, so the reason I changed it earlier also for safety. Okay, so that I get a fresh tires whenever I go. And as I mentioned just now, I'm able to sell for second hands. Okay, because in Malaysia there are plenty people looking for a used set of tires. Since my tread left maybe about 20% left, there are markets for that. So in the price wise, it's money wise, it's definitely worth it. Okay, I able to get a few $100 back. Okay, maybe like $300 for a set, the front and rear. Okay, um, for example, a okay, for this Pirelli Rosso Corsa 2s, 120 front, 190 rear. It'll cost about 1,400 in Malaysia. So you see, minus up the maybe the $300. Okay, I have to pay a balance of maybe 1,001. Or maybe if I get an offer, a better offer, I can get back like $1,000. I mean, I need to pay only $1,000 for the fresh new tires. I mean, all prices quoted in ringgit Malaysia. Okay, of course. Um, I got a very good offer for this Bridgestone, the latest S22, the hypersport tires, which is front and back, I guess about 1,100 or 10 something. Okay, for a set of two, including the labor, installation labor, everything. So if I manage to sell like 300 ringgit for both of this used front and rear tire, I need only to pay the extra 700, which is okay. You see, you get a new set of tires, you feel more confident, and it's definitely safer. Okay, so that's the reason I want to change it that soon. Okay, because yeah, I know normally people will say that, yeah, why not I use it until the end of the life of this of the set of tires, you see. Yeah, some of them say, yeah, wasting money, change it that early. But I look the other way around, okay, because you see, a fresh tires, especially fresh, okay, new, proper working tires tend to be safer, definitely safer, okay, especially in the rain. You get all the tread, okay, and cornerings, things like that, right? So by paying a little bit extras, I mean, to dispose the tire a little bit earlier, it's a good thing for me, okay. Anyway, I just want to ride safe, play safe. That's the reason why. Okay, I know some people will tease me saying that, oh yeah, it's expensive to change the tires and this and that. But why not? Right? Safety first. Okay, so that's it at the moment. I'll concentrate on my riding, and I'll see you guys later. I'll take more footage when I change the tires to my fresh new set of tires. I haven't decided which tire to go for yet. Might be the S22s, the new Bridgestone, or might be the Rosso Corsa 2, the Pirelli ones that I used before, which is a great tires. It lasted me for like 10,000 kilometers. Or maybe Super Corsas. You know, they came out with version 3, the SC2 version 3. I'm not sure yet. I have to decide and have to compare the price and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. It's gonna rain then. Oh shit. Better go fast. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Wow, the mileage is already 21,000. 21046 before changing this tires. Wow, which is a lot, right? Consider it, I ride it for only about 8 months. Since new, 8 months, I ride for about 21k already. Alright guys, I haven't decided which tire to go for. They have many types. Super Corsa version 3 or S22, or maybe I go back to Rosso Corsa 2. Not sure yet. You guys comment which tire you all like. Rosso 3. We have many kinds of tire here. I'm interested on this S22 because it's new and I haven't tried yet. So ask them to check out the size. Of course, this is good. But please comment, let me know what tire you like. And this R11 as well. Okay, I gotta make some decision. I might go back to Rosso Corsa. Okay guys, decided to change to this Bridgestone S22. Okay, new tires. I want to try something new. There you are. 22. This is the real of it. Looks good, right? Good looking tire, but I don't know about the performance I'll let you know later once I've installed and run in the tires. Okay, changing the tires. Okay, installing the tires now. Memang Indon dah tu.
Em pasang je rồi tak tahu.
Tại có ta Linh幫我抹令係啦冇？唔該晒你。我尋日先抹到，哎呦！我用嗰啲 degreaser 嚟抹啊，如果唔係秒甩喎。你黐嗰個鏈嗰個，好犀利啊嗰個。It's good, man. Okay, the tires in. Okay, done. Check this out. Looks good. Looks wider on the back. A lot nicer. This is the front end. Okay, done installing my new Bridgestone S22 tires. This is the rear and there's the front. Oh, so damn sticky. All the small stones. Okay, I'm gonna pump some petrol and heading home. Hi guys, after around 45 kilometers of ride, I would say the tire performs quite okay because I went to some twisties, cornerings, and it was okay. In fact, it's quite comfortable. Okay. But physically, by pressing, I mean, if you use your finger to press the tire, you can feel that it's kind of softer than this M7RR, you see, and even the Rosso Corsa 2. Yep, I don't know why. If you use a finger to press the compound, to press the tires at the side of it, you feel it soft. I mean, when it's cold, okay. But hot, I'm not sure lah, you see. But after 47 kilometers of ride, I feel like it's okay. Not bad. Yeah, I don't do hard cornering, just smooth and steady cornering just now, you see. And I don't push the bike because it's still running in, remember? So, not to push it because they might have this a layer of wax in the tires, so it's not safe to push. So it's not that bad. Yeah, seriously, it's not that bad. What can I say about this bike? Not much different comparing to M7R. Okay, it's comfortable. It's not really bumpy. What else can I say about tires? I really don't know, man. I need to ride more in order to give you more feedback.